This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a special dish for you. It's sweet and sour pork with garden tomatoes. Tomatoes from my garden. It's a simple recipe. It's a traditional recipe. It's a tasty recipe. So let's get started. Pork butt or pork shoulder works really well. So at least a pound, cut it into cubes, and then you toss it in the cornstarch. But if you want it less crispy, you mix 50-50 of the cornstarch with the all-purpose flour. When you heat the oil, I use peanut oil. So put one piece in first, just to make sure it works, the temperature is right, and then cook in small batches. And then put the pork on paper towels. That will get rid of the excess oil.
To make the sweet and sour sauce, preheat a wok or a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Add other aromatics like sliced onions. So give the aromatics a good sear. Now it's time to add 3/4 to 1 cup of water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of beet powder. So this will give a natural red color. You can also use red food color to get the red sweet and sour sauce. To add sweetness to the sauce, I like to add 1 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. But you can also use white sugar, but brown sugar has more complex flavor. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, or you can use ketchup, which is what most Chinese restaurants in North America used to use. To sharpen up the flavors, I like to add 1 to 2 dashes of salt. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, which is also known as regular soy sauce. For the sour component of the sauce, I like to add 1 to 3 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar. If you don't have Chinese black vinegar, you can use other vinegars such as apple cider vinegar, or you can even use the regular white vinegar. To thicken the sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/4 cup of water. Use more or less of the slurry solution to get the right thickness that you desire. At this time, I like to put at least a cup of tomatoes. I like cherry tomatoes, but you can use any kind of tomatoes that you like. And then add the pork and mix all the ingredients together. Serve your sweet and sour pork on a nice plate. You can add some sliced green onions for garnish if you like.
So there you have it, my version of sweet and sour pork with garden tomatoes. A simple, tasty dish that you can make at home, better than takeout. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.